February 21st has officially been declared Mother Language Day in New York. It's to celebrate cultural and linguistic diversity while also remembering all of those who have been killed for speaking their native language in Bangladesh. Assemblymember Karen McMahon introduced a resolution to recognize the international holiday. It was presented to the Bangladeshi American Social and Cultural Organization this afternoon.
It's a national holiday in Bangladesh, and it celebrates people who were actually martyred for the Bangla language. It's really important to them, and I'm just so happy to be able to bring knowledge of that to the greater Amherst community.
McMahon says the next step is to find a location to install a mother language memorial monument.
এবার একটি কবিতা আমাদের জন্য নিয়ে আসছে ছোট্ট সুফিয়া। আমরা সবাই একটু মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনি।
কুমড়ো ফুলে নুয়ে পড়েছিল সামনে ডাটায় ভরে গেছে গাছটা, আর আমি ডালের বই শুকিয়ে রেখেছি। খোকা, তুই কবে আসবি, কবে বাড়ি ফিরবি?
ভক্তি রামানো, ফেব্রুয়ারি, আমি কি ভুলিতে পারি, the song of 21st, my brother's blood, Spanish